Alright, welcome to the channel. And yes, this is another video for my brother. This time he installs a black Honda Saddlebag Emblem on his, 2022 Goldwing. It's a raised black Goldwing emblem. This is actually a Honda product that he got from Honda. And I'll let him show you what he did. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Also, leave a comment below. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
So I also picked up some black Goldwing little raised stickers for the saddlebags. Of course, Honda doesn't give you the instructions. You have to go on their website to download it. And it's actually really simple instructions. Basically, you can see how it goes. And they just kind of line up. The great thing is, because they come in this thing right here, basically you can kind of see how it goes. It lines up right at the corner and along the saddlebag. And then you just peel out the back and let it stick. Okay? I'm going to line it up and put a little piece of like a masking tape right here so then I can just peel it back myself. I'll show you when I get it all done. Okay, so here's what it looks like when you get them on. This is the black chrome, which looks fantastic against the denim blue, the midnight blue. Pretty easy to put on. They recommend you don't dry for 24 hours while it binds. But all right, well, that's an official Honda product. You can get from Honda itself, or I believe even Amazon or Goldwing stuff or something like that will have it. So all right, thank you.